intention to set out early this Friday morning and get to Lippville with enough time to help them set up for tomorrow and do all those fun things. This whole week we've been preparing. We've been loading Eleanor, packing our stuff, making sure that we got up early Friday morning and we were on our way. Fine. We get in the car, we're ready to head out. Alexis is like, let me do one more check around, make sure everything's fine.
Yeah, just
and then what happened?
Then I noticed that we need new tires on the camper.
And how were those tires when you saw them?
Well, you can see the picture right here. Or here, I'm not sure. Or here.
One of these spots.
They were really bad, really unsafe, just not roadworthy at all. And I made the call. That we must get new tires.
Yeah, safety first. We called a few places and they didn't have the tires in stock, and then this place did, and they were in the direction we were going, so we got really lucky. Thank you, universe.
All right, so we made it to Paul's Tires. Is that what's happening?
Look at my hat. Yes, we're waiting for our new tires. It'll probably be about an hour. You know what? At this point, you gotta trust, and you gotta say, you know what? We'll get there when we get there, as long as we get there safe.
For sure.
This is all part of universe's plan.
Absolutely.
For the reason we're getting there a little bit later, and that's okay. We're still gonna have a good time. We're still gonna celebrate our friend's son's birthday, and it is what it is.
And we're gonna have new tires on the camper for years to come.
Yes.
So it's fine.
So we trust, and we're excited, and hopefully we're out of here soon.
We also saw a camper that flipped on its side. I had never seen that. That was really scary to see.
Yeah, we hit a little bit of traffic when we passed. It was like an RV that had flipped over on its side, and we felt terrible for the owner. Luckily, everybody seemed like they were safe. We had never seen that before. It was really scary. I think that's anybody who owns an RV, that's like everybody's worst nightmare.
Yeah.
Something like that to happen. So luckily everybody was safe. We hope he's on his way already. But this has been quite the day and quite the journey, and we're just eager to get there. So we took the scenic route this time around. Looking at nothing but fields of grass was a breath of fresh air, and something we could all get used to. We love the countryside. When we let our imaginations run wild, we see ourselves somewhere like this. We see land that speaks to us and guides us in how to care for her. We see a sanctuary we can call our own, a place to raise our little ones and soak in every moment of peace that comes from being one with nature. We're back on that dirt. We're back on that dirt road, and this time Alexis is going much faster than he was the first time around. I don't know what happened. First time was sloth.
Well, we have new tires. It's not raining.
Okay.
And I'm not as hungry. I mean, I'm hungrier. Sorry.
Okay, so all of those factors make you go a little bit faster.
Correct.
Okay. Also, I think you know the area a little bit better,
Of course,
so
I
that
know what
helps.
to expect. Yeah.
So this time it's not taking us 40 minutes.
It takes us 27 minutes.
Alright, so we should be there in no time, and we forgot to put on mosquito repellent.
Well, we could stop one more time.
Alright.
Never gonna get there. Never gonna get there.
The longest day ever. We would have been there in 27 minutes, but Alexis missed the turn we were supposed to take. And now we are going back and forth, trying to back her up because she's at an angle. And let's go down here, Alexis, explain to us.
I have to concentrate, so.
How many times have we done this move back and forth?
Twice.
3 times.
Why is this video negative?
It's not negative. We're learning, right? He's frustrated. He was going way too fast this time, and he missed.
That's true. I was flying. And that's why you don't go that fast. So you don't miss your turn. And then have to go in reverse with a camper on a dirt road.
We could have been there by now.
Without tow mirrors.
Okay, so this is where we're supposed to turn. Right there. This is how far away we are. Will we make it? We don't know.
If you're gonna judge. I can hear you, go.
I haven't said anything.
Go. One day I'm going too slow, the next day I'm going too fast. What happened to my co-pilot? Co-pilot should have been telling me, hey, your next one.
Nobody can hear you.
Bye. Bye. We're here. Made it.
No mosquito attacks this time because the windows are up.
Learn your lesson. Wow, look at the pool.
Hey, we made it finally!
After a long travel day, we set up, let the kids play for a bit, and then got some much needed rest. I gotta see the mommy.
Hi. Thank you.
All right, what are you making?
I'm making some delicious cassava tribal superfood.
Okay,
A
some
smoothie.
smoothies.
A smoothie with
What else?
bananas. I know, I'm gonna make you a smoothie. Bananas and blueberries, and we're gonna make some delicious arepas that, thanks to your mom, we will be eating
Awesome.
this morning.
Thank you, Mom. The next morning, it was time to help our friends prepare for the party. We all played a role in adding gravel, cleaning up, hanging up decorations, filling up the pool, and putting up tents under the Florida sun. How brave is he? Did you ever imagine he leaves us on a horse like that? How brave are you right now to let him turn that corner?
I know, and not be able to see him.
Yeah, let's go.
You know that doesn't happen.
Let's go.
I'm a helicopter parent, I'll admit it.
Oh, okay, we're coming back.
Not too far.
Alright, not too far. It wasn't just a birthday party, it was a celebration of life for all of us during this very trying year.
Party was a success. We had such a good time here. We definitely enjoy this open field and these open spaces, and we would love to eventually have something like this for ourselves.
And not so big, this is 40 acres.
40 acres is, yeah, way more than we.
I like it.
No, but something smaller outside and connect to nature and grow our own food. That would be amazing. So we're keeping that in mind, and that might be on the list on the next chapter for the little hippie tribe. So hopefully, fingers crossed. I think it means we belong on a farm. I think it means...
Is that what a double rainbow means?
Yes, a double rainbow means that we're gonna find a farm that's perfect for us.
I've never seen a rainbow like this. Is it a sign? This must be a sign. Incredible.
And that's the moment we decided to listen to our hearts and try to manifest this dream of having a piece of land to call our own. We are already singing a song of gratitude for lots of muddy adventures, late night sparkler wishes, dancing under the moonlit sky, countless friends that stay for a day or stay for a while, a song of gratitude for land to call our own, a sanctuary for all.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe and join our tribe.